good morning to me here. We are located in Longmont, Colorado, and I want to share about what we're doing here. So how do I share the slides? I'm not sure
So there's
how to do that.
the looks like a monitor with a
Yeah.
cross through it. That's the one.
Okay. All right. Can you see my slides?
Not yet.
Oh, so I did that. So hang on. Go here. Can you see the slides now?
Yes, we can now.
Okay. Can you see now?
Yes, looks good.
Okay, beautiful. All right, so I only have 5 minutes. So I was able to do this project with Jeff Bush and Quentin Biddy. They were from CU Colorado, and I don't see them here, so I will just. I think Quentin might be online, but I just want to quickly show you guys what we did with this. So if you're here, you're familiar with all the sensor stuff that you can do with the microbit. But Schoolwide Labs from CU Boulder, they have taken it a step further, and they've created a whole entire curriculum using the Sensor Immersion, and it's a fantastic way to take a look at it. And you can see down here, they've broken it beautifully from lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll show you what we did with this. And this is specifically targeted towards middle school, but I think that with all the great sensors that we have that's available on the microbit and also with the GatorBit, which is a special board we have, it can definitely parlay into high school also. So from the science teacher's perspective, if you're into this, what it does is it combines computational thinking with project-based thinking. And what you can do with this is that it works with your current curriculum. And the whole idea behind this is that to help you just begin to collect and interpret data. From a computer science teacher's perspective, to me, I think you're taking this to the next level of collecting and analyzing data, but also getting kids to be problem solvers, right? Because that's what we want to do with these tools. And what I really love about this is that you're using the computer as a tool for science, thus computer science. So what you need is this thing called the GatorBit, which is a part of that, and then the microbit just attaches to that, and it gives you additional other sensors. On there, on the curriculum, they have a tutorial map that you can go through, and each one of these, if you click on it, is a beautiful integration of teaching you how to code, and it's both in English and Spanish, so it helps students. And it's just like if you're familiar with Make Code, they go through the whole thing, and you can see the progression of it, like how you start with lesson 2, and then and it also differentiates for people who are just getting started, and then for your high flyers who are going to zip through this. And I'll show you what we did here towards the end of learning how to use the sensors. What we then did was I asked the kids, what can you do? What can you be? How can you be problem solvers? And so some of the students said, hey, we want to build a tool to help teachers. So they created the Quiet Classroom. Some of them took the sensors and they said, hey, we have plants at our school, and so we want to help the people monitor the plants to know that they're not underwatering or overwatering, or the CO2 monitors that you can have there. A student said, hey, I have a hard time sleeping. So we devised a little plan to help them. Like I think I've seen some of the tutorials on microbit where you do the 2-minute breathing. So we kind of integrated that with the sensors and the CO2 and the temperature in his room to help him find the optimal sleeping environment for himself, to help him relieve insomnia. Another group of kids wanted to know, how much CO2 emission is emitted during the bus loop. So again, these are all investigations that they did with that. Let me kind of show you kind of the website, what I did with the website. And so you can see here what they did and the actual just really research and just hands-on things that I think that problem solvers that they could do. And I think that is it. If you have any questions, let me know.